my channel. I'm Holly, your friendly neighborhood carnivore, and I'm so happy you could join me today. So we're gonna be doing a quick little video today. I am just really in the mood for some little fatty snacks, and I've got brown butter bites in the freezer, but I just want something a little bit different. So I've shown you guys how I do my meat cookies, which are pemmican, and those have that real nice cookie texture. And I've shown you how I do my brown butter bites. Today I want to make some fatty lamb bars. So these will be like a savory, kind of like a candy bar, like a chocolate bar. They're just not going to be chocolatey. So I'm going to be using leftover lamb fat. I don't have much left here, but anytime I cook lamb, I save the fat. So I've got some lamb fat here. I have got some ground lamb that I have dried out. You can see it's kind of crispy there. We're gonna put that in there. And then I'm thinking maybe I might put in a little bit of steak seasoning or maybe some everything bagel seasoning just to kind of change things up a little. But it's not necessary. If you use just the lamb fat and the dried lamb and some salt, it is completely safe for lion diet. You could do the same using beef tallow and dried ground beef instead of the lamb if you're not a big fan of the lamb. So let's try this out, see what kind of yummy fatty snacks we can make, because I love having fat on hand that I can chow down on and add throughout my day if I need more energy or anything like that. All right, so let's get started. And this should be pretty quick. And then we will have to stick them in the freezer and we will taste test them later. All right, guys, here we go. All right, so I've got a little silicone mold here. This is a new one for me. I'm excited about this little shape, but these are, this is just a silicone ice tray mold. So I got that today. I don't have a whole lot of lamb fat left in here. So if it fills that up and then I have a little left, I've got another one here that I can make some small ones, but this might take care of all of them. So all I've done is I've melted down my lamb fat. Oh yeah, this is definitely not gonna make very many. I'm just gonna do 1 tablespoon in each. All right, that was exactly a 1/4 of a cup. So I've got 4 little things here. I think I'm also gonna put a tablespoon of crumbly dried bits in each one. We'll see if they all fit. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, these are gonna be good and crunchy. Now this meat was salted when it cooked before it dehydrated. So I don't really have to worry too much about adding a whole lot of extra salt. You know what? That one looks a little drier than the others. There we go. All right, and I think I will keep one of them plain. I'm gonna do a little bit of the steak seasoning and one. And let's see. I'll do a little bit of the everything bagel seasoning in one. I know it has sesame seeds and spices in it, and it's not technically carnivore, I guess, if you're gonna police me that hard, but I think it will be fine. And you know what? I think I'll do one without extra salt and one with extra salt, since the meat was salted. We'll just see how the flavor tastes different there. All right, now we're gonna pop these into the freezer and we will come back in several hours and give them a taste. All right, so this one is our salted one. Ooh, that looks so good. This is our plain one that didn't have quite as much tallow as the others, so there's a lot more dry, crispy on top. All right, this one had the everything bagel seasoning. And this one had the steak seasoning on it. All right, so I said we were gonna freeze them for a few hours. I actually went a little bit longer, and these are our lovely bars. So I've got my just regular salted one. This was the one that I did not add more salt to. This one is the everything bagel seasoning, and then this one here was my steak seasoning. So I'm really excited to give these a try. They look delicious. So I'm going to give them a try. Now, I guess I'm going to start with, I don't want to eat all of them right now because I only have 4. But I am cooking some really fatty lamb ribs in the oven right now. So that's exciting to me because that means I'm gonna have fat drippings left over from that I can save and make more of these, because that's what I really want, is more of these. All right, I'm gonna go with I'll go with the one that we just salted. Here's a little look. Mmm. Oh, that is so good. Really nice and salty. It's got that really great lamb flavor, but the texture is really good. It almost reminds me of a Nestle Crunch bar. Can you see the middle of that there? These are really good. Oh, I'm so happy I made these. I think these are gonna be really, really good using beef as well. But I absolutely love lamb. And I'm telling you, this is fantastic. This is delicious. So make you some fatty little bars. Try them out. Great fat bomb to have throughout the day or to add to your meal when you need a little bit more energy. This is the thing to do. So go ahead and get yourself in the kitchen. Make you some little fatty bars. Make sure that you guys do all of the YouTube things for me with the liking and the subscribing and the commenting, clicking that little notification bell. All those things are much appreciated. I especially, like I always say, I love talking to you guys in the comments. And I also love when y'all find me on X and on Instagram and come strike up a conversation over there, because I just love this community and being a part of it. So if you find me on X, my handle is @carnivorefriend. And if you are looking for me on Instagram, it is @friendlyneighborhoodcarnivore. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this short little video, and I hope you will try this and have yourself some little fatty bars as well. Thanks, guys. Bye.
She's the friendly neighborhood carnivore with a talent for cooking up a meaty uproar. From juicy steaks to sizzling ribs galore, she'll have you coming back for more. Fellas, smash that like button. She's the carnivore cooking queen. On your screen, bringing the meaty scene. Come on over and join the team for a culinary dream.